Bonjour. This is how to pronounce the name of Eastern European countries in French. If you've missed the part 1 of this video series, where we talk about how to pronounce the Western European countries, well, I suggest you can watch that one first, or stay until the end, and I'll link to how to pronounce Italy, Spain, Portugal, Germany, and so on in French. But if you are interested in how to pronounce the name of the Eastern European countries, well, you found the right video. Slovenia is said in French as Slovenie, Slovenie. Slovakia is said as Slovakie, Slovakie. Romani is how you say Romania, Romani. Hungary is said as Hongrie, Hongrie, a silent H, Hongrie. Autriche is how you say Austria, Autriche, Autriche. Croatie, Croatie, so you have an S sound, even though there is a T there. Croatie is how you say Croatia. Serbia is how you say Serbia. Serbia in French is said as Serbie. Polonia is how you say Poland. Polonia, Polonia. Bulgarie is French for Bulgaria. Bulgarie, Bulgarie. Ukraine is how you say Ukraine in French. Ukraine. Lithuanie is French for Lithuania. Lithuanie. Estonie is how you say Estonia. Estonie. Estonie. This one is quite different from the English. Biélorussie. Biélorussie. Biélorussie is Belarus in French. Moldavie is Moldova. Moldavie is Moldova in French. Lettonie is Latvia. Lettonie. Lettonie is French for Latvia. Czechia is the République Czech, the Czech Republic, République Czech, or Czechy, Czechy, or République Czech. And now you know. More videos here to learn more French. If you've missed, as I said, Western European countries, here is the video for you. And more content on this channel. Stay tuned. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Merci.